about in question number 6 number paper written a question ko ka bilhon verify that x equal to 5 satisfy the equation the equation hi x hi 5 hi phale hilangas to to hen chi pa ki bang di ti chu question borin ti ya to chu when x to 5 hi phale bo chu matin ki bang di ati hin ati ta ham di lam chana na different side chana ma sa tin different side pa hi 5x kitin 5 into 5 say heading minus 6 5 minus 4 ko ide na 5 mo tale 25 minus 5 minus 4 just 1 here minus 6 into 1 is 6 mama heading si borwal 19 im tabi na 25 minus 6 to 19 im tabi to hi n right hand side ga view te 2 heading x को 5 id also 5 plus 5 heading plus 5x to 5 id या 5 को ताते minus 4 minus 6 को तावे दैसे का बॉल है तेरे का बॉल वाला है 2 5 plus 5 to 10 है ची into चला है नंबर खड़ा मा ब्रैकेट मार into से ना है 2 5 2 10 are 20 plus 5 into 5 minus 4 to 1 5 into 1 is 5 then minus 6 in there 20 plus 5 1 is 5 5 minus 6 to plus minus ding assign to the minus sign into that 20 plus minus ding minus 1 hong ita na assign to minus le ja 20 la 1 la 19 atta chu khat pa jong chu 19 mu right side pa 19 mu je ba chu x equal to 5 intending satisfies the given equation na 7.12 x variable ho holan chu hetawin to ai exercise 7.2 na panatin hichi question number 1 ip sem te alai write each of the following statement is an equation in x atin Chichu number 1 hai na view roman number 1 ahi a number increased by 7 gives 16 at the end a number increased by 7 at the arachun number chura chi pa ki hello he chi ja chu biti body ham te arachun a number increased by 7 gives 16 te cha rule omin rule ha chu pa le question neu khat in body ban in body he a number increased by 7 gives 16 at the achuna achi he number hello je ba chu x te ba chu well increase ti bo la jon plus sign la de number hum khang ni ti chu plus hum khang la hum khang de ong tele by 7 hum khang gives a p de te chu hum hi de te chu ki bang de te chu 16 to sa number ke lo ba to hin 7 na plus ala chu 16 hum ki bang de 16 hum hi de ti he chu ta ji do ba chu hi jing de na x number a ki pi lo ya chu number ki chu x na ajing dina number ati ala gel all x na ajing ding wana chu number 2 na ga vikil lehan tries a number when decreased by 4 is 14 tries means thumweit na he tries a number means 3x twice a number mean 2x na a number mean x that's a tries a number here the question say tries a number so tries a number 3 times a number na he 3 times tan table into say na hin 3 into x na he 3 times a number when decreased chu la increase pa chu ile plus era decrease pa chu to he minus by jana hamo 4 decrease a le is the value equal to 0 keeps the y is the y so 14 so answer is jing ni abana hi last na ai ka relation the sum of 3 consecutive natural number is 15 at a chi both sa gi pen hi equation assignment hi as a question to asipiti sim de ham ta le the sum of 3 consecutive odd natural number ti a chu 3 natural numbers oti na put zao the sum of 3 consecutive natural number is 15 natural number chu 1 to 3 a ho khoi sei na hi in the sum de phala plus sai na hi in 3 consecutive mi hong te phal ni he de khat chu amba bana chi ti na he na khát chú x là về number khát chú plus thì đi là khát chú x plus 1 là khát chú x plus 2 là consecutive sai này x to 1 hi ka ala chi 2 chi 3 ta chu consecutive sai na hin hi chaho chu is chu natural number ho si chu thum ho chu plus ale 15 atela chi 15 he jeng de abanin question number Roman number 4 zo navigate tautin 4 pan kin hatin the sum of three consecutive odd natural number is 21 ati in the sum jo plus sai na hin odd ati a chu let x be the number hat pa chu hi na amana odd ati a chu plus la hi x plus 2 na koi ngai chu x chu nang dinga chu 1 hi ala chun chi hi 1 plus 2 to 3 hi ding na mana plus x plus 4 nati di equal to 21 so say na hai the sum tile 3 consecutive odd natural number to 3 consecutive to x to x plus 2 to x plus 4 hi ho dinga sum of 3 consecutive odd natural number to 21 chung hai di bana hai the product of a number in 9 is 45 the product in 2 sai na ti ki di mas pe na the product of a number in 9 di chung product of number in 9 di chung 9 number khat la chun 9 ki into ale ste ni chu ai ki into ale chun 45 hi 8 product of a number we don't know the number so we have to keep x product mean into with what in 9 90 also is equal to 45 pana the perimeter of a square is 24 unit atin la perimeter say na hi momolaya perimeter say na hi pham de 4 side say na hi in square ki ti sa yo si ki bong hi in x la ala chun perimeter jo 4x chung hiding hetan cha chu 4x tin he square ki ti chu chi say na hin bo na hi ki bang su ke sa yo si x x x perimeter means sum of all side sum si sin plus al x to x to x plus to 4x di chi 4x si chu is the chun equal to ya 24 unit 24 unit as it is na bana where x means one side na in 20 years Chawba will be 5 times as old as he is now chi nal thimin question hi in 20 years ti chu in 20 years at ala chun Chawba will be tila hung hin lai di na cha chu ama chu tu x pa chu ama ti to x to present age of Chawba ti tin well x year is the present age of Chawba in 20 years after 20 years in 20 years ala chun ta akum chu nga yong mai thei khat jong mai thei ni jong mai thei tu thum jong mai sei thei lo x chu chi jo kum som ni jo wa chu ama hi ati hena will Chawba will be 5 times as old as he is now ati alachun 5 times alachun 5 times he is now achu kuma x ti alachun 5 times as old as he is now alachun 5 into x to 5x after 20 years this is Chawba 20 years he will be 5 times 5 into as old as he is now x to say na here. Mana question number 2 ana bolutin 7.2 question number 2 ana bolutin if 12 is subtracted from 3 times a number gives 36 find the number atin here we don't know a number so we have to assume that number be x hello ji over to number pa chu x ti do na x equal to unknown number de na cha chu x to number I had lo je wa chu abana ma se hi chi 3 time a number at ala chun 3 times a number give 36 ati ala chun kaya hi 3 time ati pa chu pe mo tele 3 into time chul time table se times ti ala chun into se na hin 3 time a number ti ala chun 3 time a number he jing chi x pa chu thum ve tin he 3x tin he na 3 time a number chu 3x he na he tan this means 3 time a number na and all number is from 3 time number aman say kin if 12 is subtracted from this one, what is this one? 3x. So if you subtract 12 from 3 time a number, you will get 36. Tina chachu 3x la ahi 12 kla do ale 36 kam nahi ti he ma question se na so find the number at is achu number chu tin hol ham de chu ta bangwa hi a bolan chu la hanga ve hutin lai ka na chi variable 3x variable am achu 3x equal to no kai khum de ka ti pai chana le 3x equal to no kai khum ale 36 na si ta chu la chi pa hi transposition na langa chu minus will become plus 12 ha la chun 3x equal to 6 7 8 3 plus 1 2 48 hin bana chu x equal to nasi pai x equal to 48 nasi pai ding bale chun chipa hi into hi into hi pa chun langa hang su na ke het me het thode 48 divided by 3 to 3 1 is 3 1 and 3 5 3 6 are 18 as also animal 16 your unknown number is 16 na bana question je vekit leo chun third question number 3 he leo chun find two numbers at the end. We're going to find two numbers such that one of them exceed the other by 12 and their sum is 56. Find two numbers such that one of them exceed the other. Exceed at the popala chun khatam zo dit ni. Now, chachu we have to assume that we don't know the two numbers, so x be the greater number na ti x pa hi new may number hai chi x to la pa hi greater number hai number ni o min khat la khat o min amati ni ka ki hi na pa chu khat pa ma lin jo chu ama hi x ti diu ama hi t ti te am dan chu ama hin ama sanga hi amati ni ka ki hi na chu pa mo te pa 12 ati 12 atam zo ti chu abo question ji dan for example achu mi khat pa ya kum kum som ni hi ala chun atam ja pa kum som ni chu alien ja pa chu akum tam pa kum som ni pas ra ko hin lang alome pas ra hin ko la chun yana ki khon tamu tele kum soma ke hi hon he na sta banga chu la jang tam ja pa apna hi alom ja pa minus ale 12 he chu tam ja pa hi 12 a tam zo na chu x equal to chu pa chu 3 holding ala t minus t equal to 12 minus x ngadi chu ke dio ha let x be that number ni la a chu ho dang x pa hi greater number ala o hi in anyo sa pa chu ipitir tam ala chun smaller number pa chu ipiti de ham ala cha form chu smaller number chu ipiti de ham ala chun x minus 12 hi atam za apna chu 12 minus ala e jo amati ni ka difference 12 pi ja chu system za apna chu ki pa na minus ala neu pa na mu chat de ale to ha amati na chu question se chu and their sum is 56 tal amati ni sum jo 56 adding in therefore their sum equal to alin ja pa x lawong na plus neu ja pa x minus 12 ti lawong na hedi hela ka chon he thela wa sen thak ngai kit lang ale cha chu ti boru tam te ale their sum is 56 at is a chu e ho a he x plus x minus 12 amatin sum chu ang ka si pe pain kating is still equal to sen hin 56 amatin alin pa cha neo pa cha plus ho mala 56 de he ati chuna cha chu x ka ta plus ka ta ala chu bucket khona le x minus 12 equal to 56 ta na bana hi x plus x variable ki mana chu 2x he diu kha chu x plus x to 2x hi in x into x to x to power square ding he whole square ding na chu ki he ding tin he plus as 2x equal ta vin 2x equal to no koi khum pai de ka ti chna equal to ma le chi implies to no koi ding 2x equal to 56 ni ding chi minus will become lang ang do le plus eta 2x equal to 6 7 8 5 6 2x equal to 68 in and therefore x equal to 68 na si pai na la x equal to 68 ni si vale la pa he 2 pa he ang tham te le anoi langa in 2 hi ja choi nga om de chu 2 3 r 6 2 4 r 8 at hello holding 68 divided by 2 to 2 3 r 6 8 am ding 2 4 r 8 sa tamu 34 hang de ta so x to 34 hang ding he kita apna 4 5 6 7 ho in board win tu na class tang ta te